Hey friends, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. I want to tell you about a seed company that is awesome. It's called freeheirloomseeds.org, and I first heard about it from a video that Indiana Backyard Gardener posted. So I'll put a link in the description for that website. And just, they're not a kind of website where you go and see pictures, description, add to cart, check out, that kind of thing. It's like just a basic WordPress kind of website. Go through and read the website. It tells you how you're supposed to order, which is via email, and a certain way they want the emails formatted. And then the seeds are free. They do recommend that you donate to them, but it's a very small donation. I donated $40, and I'm going to show you how many seeds I got. It is insane. So if I would have bought these from other seed companies, I probably would have spent a couple $100s. And $40 was actually generous. It was more than they had recommended per, like, donate this much money for every 15 seed packets, basically, is what they said on the website, would be appreciated by them, because everybody there is volunteers and it's just donations to keep the program going. Their goal is to keep seeds from going extinct. So definitely a good company to support. And definitely better on the wallet. So I'm going to show you everything. This group is the ones I was cold stratifying, and then I have a whole other group inside this envelope that I kept separate. So in here is like bachelor buttons, nasturtiums, zinnias. They have mullein, verbena. Oh, where's this one? Oh, calendula. Yeah, there's calendulas, zinnias, cosmos, blanket flower, marigolds, a whole bunch. There's a dill in there. Yeah, it's just insane. It would literally take me 5 minutes to read off all of them and find pictures for you, so we are not going to do that. Dig out the rest. So we have carrots in here, we have some cabbage, we have, let's see, yeah, cosmos, zinnias, cabbage, broccolis, zucchinis, straw flower, chervil, spinach. They have everything. The amount of lettuce options they have is absolutely insane. Gosh, I'm having a hard time juggling all these. There's cabbage. I've already lots of different varieties to choose from, so I'm not going to list them all off because you can just go check out all the options and see what they got. Yep. So you see two piles this big? Can you imagine how much that would have cost at a regular seed company? That would have been hundreds of dollars for those. So this is awesome. Link will be in the description for this website to check out. Their best haul of seeds to choose from is in January, is what the website said. But when I went on there in March, and you can scroll for days, there are so many options out there, vegetables and flowers. So I wanted to add to my flower collection because I've always focused on vegetables in the past years, and I want to do more flowers this year. Do my own landscape, add flowers to the garden and that kind of thing, and not just focus on vegetables. So anyways, super excited for this. I'm definitely good on seeds for many years. I don't think I'll have to buy any seeds next year at all, which is awesome, unless I need a few tomato varieties because I use them all up, but you know, those packets last for years. So anyways, have a wonderful day. I hope this helps you. Make sure you give them a nice donation. Their seeds are free. You don't have to, but they will prioritize. I believe it said they'll prioritize your order if you do donate. And then I got, less than a week later, this was delivered to the house after I placed the order via email. So simple, easy, cheap. So I hope this helps you. I will see you later. Have a wonderful day, and feel free to like and subscribe. Bye.